Hey, you guys, this is Mr. Waltz. I'm going to show you how to do figure four on Fusion Model Creation 2. So here's number four. It's a flat plate with two blocks sticking up. There's a couple ways you could do this. You could extrude um, a flat plate and then put two boxes on top. You also could extrude this L shape and then cut kind of a trench through the middle. Um, I'm going to do the additive method where you create the uh, block on the bottom and then extrude two blocks out of it. Um, and the reason is the sketch is very simple. It's just rectangles. So in order to do the base part, you got to figure out the width, height, and depth. If you look at the width, it's 2, 4, 6, 7 squares. The height is 2 squares. And then the depth from the front to the back is 2, 4, 6. So 7 by 2 by 6. So we'll go in here to Fusion and we'll make that. So get yourself a new design open, double check your snap off, grid fixed, 1 inch, 4 subdivisions is good. Those things are not critical, but I like to have it that way. I'm going to create a sketch, XY plane, draw a rectangle, and the width is going to be 7 star 0.25. Hit tab, and the height is going to be 2 star 0.25, and then you can hit enter. Then I'm going to finish the sketch and extrude, dude. The extrude, believe, was 6246. Getting some lag here when I come back. That's a little weird. 6 star 0.25. So there's the base block. And then all we got to do is extrude out of that the two smaller rectangles. So I'm going to click create sketch. I'm going to click on top of this. Now make sure you don't accidentally get your XZ or YZ, one of those planes. You want the top of the box that you made. So I'm going to click right here. There it is. And these two boxes are going to be in the corners of this, and they're 2 units wide and 3 units tall. So I'm just going to do 2-point rectangle, start on the corner here and click, and the width is 2 star 0.25. Hit tab, 3 star 0.25 there. And then on the other side, it's the same exact thing. 2-point rectangle, click, you see it'll snap to the corner. 2 star 0.25. Hit tab, 3 star 0.25. Hit enter. Finish the sketch. And then we're just going to extrude. Click the extrude button. Select both of these rectangles that you drew. And then the height is just 2 squares, which is 2 star 0.25. And I'm doing the star thing, just to help you in case you don't know the numbers. But if you could, if you could do the math in your head, that's fine. If you know two times 0.25 is 0.5, then by all means just type 0.5. I'm going to hit enter. There it is. Compare it. Just make sure. I always go look at the original picture and make sure that I did it right. It's easy to goof these up. So go back here, and I'm just going to save it. Hit the save button. This is going to be number 4. You could say figure 4 or whatever. Make sure you have the right project. You could see I didn't select the right project here before I started. So I'm going to use the drop down and find my Fusion Model Creation 2 project. Then you can close the drop down. Make sure it's got the right location, and then hit save. And then, as usual, go and get your shareable link, and then copy that and add it to Google Classroom, and you're done. Good luck.